Hi, I'm Tom Curtis with the Northwest Avalanche Center. Today is the 2nd of April and I'm out at Mount St. Helens. We can see a lot of shallow areas along ridges. Snow depths vary between about 60-70 centimeters in the shallow areas, and the wind-loaded areas have over 2 meters of snow. Here's an example of one of the larger cornices located on northeast and east aspects that are somewhat hidden in the terrain. Also, small pieces of cornice that have fallen off due to the exposure from the sun. From the trailhead, the snow level is about 3,000 feet, which is a good place to start skinning. And as you move a little bit higher, about 4,500 feet and up, the snow surface, which is a melt-freeze crust, becomes a little bit more challenging to travel. So boot packing and crampons are advisable. When you're skiing these gullies, just be aware of the cornice buildup on the northeast aspects. And below cornices, remember that wind-deposited snow can exist in those locations, and that's where you're most likely to trigger wind slabs. You might also have pieces of cornice falling due to exposure from the sun. Remember that these gullies and drainages are terrain traps. From what I've observed so far, we have a fairly well consolidated upper snowpack encrusted with a melt-freeze crust. No direct signs of instability other than loose wet and isolated features which I've pointed out. When you're in these areas, plan for low visibility and keep an eye on the weather as things can change quickly. That's all for now from Mount St. Helens.